Good morning children. Welcome to the class. Today in 4th class in our English literature book we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is Before the Match. Okay, this is really a very interesting story. It is an extract from the Malgudi, and the writer of this chapter is R.K. Narayan, one of the famous Indian writer. Okay, before starting the chapter, first we are going to see the hard words. So listen carefully and repeat with me. Hard words, first is responsibility. Responsibility. What is the first one? Responsibility. Responsibility. Understand? What is the first one? Responsibility. We just say na response. Who is responsible for this? In Hindi we say who Uttardai, we can say. That is the responsibility. The second is muttering. Muttering. What is the second one? Muttering. Yes, again, what is the second one? Muttering. And what is the meaning of muttering? When we are saying something in very low voice, especially when we are angry. That is known as muttering, and in Hindi we say badbadana. Okay? Sometimes what we do, if we are angry and we are not able to do anything, then what we do? We just mutter. हम धीरे धीरे जब बोलते हैं ना, that is a muttering. In Hindi we say badbadana. Okay? The third one is desperate. Desperate. What is the third one? Desperate. Again, what is the third one? Desperate. Number 4, what is the meaning of desperate? Normally that we have just tried everything, but then also if we are failed, that is known as desperate. In Hindi we can say it निराश होना, और किसी चीज़ को करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा उत्साहित होना, बेकरार होना. That I have to do this. If I fail also, then also I have to do. Okay? In the two meanings we can use this word desperate. Okay? Fourth one is ANNOYED. Annoyed. What is the fourth one? ANNOYED. Annoyed. What is the meaning of annoyed? The meaning of annoyed is when someone is just trying to making us angry, then the voice we are talking that in the angry manner, that is annoyed. In Hindi we say jhujulana. Okay? Fifth is DISPENSARY. Dispensary. What is the fifth one? Dispensary. What is the fifth one? Dispensary. And what is the meaning of dispensary? Dispensary means it's not a hospital. It is a short form, or we can say short, like a clinic. That dispensary is there where people are treated for their illness by the doctor, and they provide them the medicine too. That is known as the dispensary. After then, the sixth one. The sixth one is CERTIFICATE. Certificate. What is the sixth one? Certificate. Okay. The seventh one, PROSECUTED. Prosecuted. What is the seventh? Prosecuted. And what's the meaning of prosecuted? Prosecuted, that someone is going to be punished by law if he has done something wrong. That is known as prosecuted. Eighth, PURSUED. Pursued. What is the eighth one? Pursued. And the meaning of pursued is followed someone. किसी का पीछा करना. Okay? Or we can use the chased. chased. Chased also mean पीछा करना. Okay. Ninth one is examined. 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 In this chapter, the meaning of examined is here that if you are going to the doctor, आप जब डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, he just ask you what happened, he just use a thermometer and stethoscope, means he is examining you. In this chapter, its meaning is जांच करना by the doctor. Okay. These were the hard words. Again, we are just reading it. So, read with me. First one, yes, responsibility. Second one, muttering. Second one, muttering. Third one, desperate. What is the third one? Desperate. Annoyed. What is the fourth one? Annoyed. Dispensary. Yes, what is the fifth one? Dispensary. Number 6, certificate. Number 6, certificate. Prosecuted. Prosecuted. Pursued. Pursued. Examined. Examined. Yes, these are the hard words and the same you have to do in your English notebook. Okay students, thank you. Just read and learn also.